I'm still very shaken up about what happened to me.
It's been a month since UF student Melissa Zuniga was struck by a car in the crosswalk near her apartment while trying to get to class. A string of similar road accidents in the same area has her even more anxious.
I haven't crossed the street still, and especially since I just heard that two girls, the same thing has happened to them on the same area and same street.
People close to Melissa are just as shaken and wanted to see changes made to traffic enforcement.
I was mortified that she got hurt doing what she was supposed to do as a pedestrian on the crosswalk. I mean, this is Gainesville, there's tons of students walking by foot. I would just think that our city would take more of a precaution to keep us safe.
Some UF students feel pedestrians may be too comfortable.
You're on campus, you just kind of forget about the road rules. And then when you leave campus, you're still in that mindset. It's just important to be cognizant.
With such a heavy amount of foot traffic passing through Southwest 62nd, the city put up pedestrian crossing signs to warn drivers of the potential risk of a collision. But that's slowly proving to not be enough.
And even along this crosswalk with multiple signs in plain view, residents along Southwest 62nd still feel uncomfortable crossing along this roadway and that they might become another one of the statistics.
We had 122 accidents on this road in 2012. And that's up considerably from the year before. We had 72. So obviously it's a pretty glaring statistic that we need to pay attention to.
The police department's attention has been set on the roadway, and officers plan on increasing patrol and enforcing laws. Students in the neighborhood say they'd like to see more signs in the area and flashing lights to warn drivers of pedestrians. Chris Gilmore, TV 20 News.